In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice typing in Google Docs and Word. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your voice into text in both apps, how to speak punctuation, and how to get accurate results without overthinking the process. Let's begin with Google Docs. Open your document. This can be a new blank file or one you're already working on. At the top, go to the Tools menu and choose Voice Typing. You'll see a microphone icon appear on the left side of your document. Click that microphone. The first time you use this feature, your browser may ask for permission to use your microphone. Make sure to allow access. Once the mic is active, start speaking naturally. As you talk, your words will appear in the document in real time. To control punctuation without touching the keyboard, say basic commands like period, comma, and new line. For example, you might say, "This is a demo, comma, it's fast period new line, new paragraph starts here period." Speak clearly, at a steady pace, and leave a small pause between sentences to improve accuracy. If a word comes out wrong, don't worry. Keep your flow going and plan to review and fix anything after you finish dictating. A quiet room and a consistent speaking distance from your microphone will help a lot. Now let's do the same in Microsoft Word. Open your document and head to the Home tab. There you'll find the Dictate button on the ribbon. Click Dictate and, if prompted, allow microphone access. Begin speaking and watch your words appear on the page. Just like in Google Docs, you can say period, comma, or new line, while you talk to handle punctuation and formatting hands-free. When you're done, click Stop Dictation. It's that simple. A few quick tips apply to both apps. Speak as if you're giving directions to a friend, clear, steady, and with natural phrasing. Short sentences are easier for the software to transcribe accurately. If you notice it consistently misses a word, try enunciating it a bit more. Names, acronyms, and technical terms may need a quick manual touch-up afterward, which is perfectly normal. Before you share or submit your document, give it a brief read-through to catch any stray words or missing punctuation. That's all you need to start voice typing in Google Docs and Word. Open your document, turn on voice typing or dictation, allow mic access, speak your content, use simple commands like period, comma, and new line, and you're good to go.